Today I'm showing you a little bit about graphic design so you can make your bougie profile picture. So let's begin. All right, so the first thing I have to do is put first and last name in here. So you just double click, make sure to hold or caps lock, put your age in here, and just highlight the one that you're not and delete it. So that's pretty simple. Down here, this is a summary of why you took the CTE internship. So a little bit about your background, what you like to do, why you got interested in a CTE internship, why you got interested in those classes. Here is your CTE specific skills. So here's some examples: how to administer medication, how to create a sales report, how to read a micrometer, how to check brakes on a Peterbilt. That's what we're looking for there. What are the things that you're learning that are really specific skills? Or over here, we're going to place an image of you at work. So I just grabbed an image here, and I'm going to talk about working with images a little bit. The first thing we have to do is get this image so it fits this whole screen. So you want to grab the corners. Don't just grab right here, because that stretches the image out and it distorts it. If you grab the corner, it'll keep what's called the aspect ratio. So we snap that one and we snap that one. And it's okay that it's going over everything right now. Now, here's a cool little trick about images. I know there's a lot of white space here and some white space over here I want to get rid of. So I'm going to double click on the image and it brings up these black little bars. And I'm going to slide over here, and this is called cropping an image. And it gets rid of those black little bars. So now I have an image that fits over this purple. It doesn't quite fit. So I bring that black little bar out a little bit so it just fits in the purple. And I still have that drop shadow right there. So now I got an image. Now maybe your image doesn't fit as far as this goes. What you can also do is crop it so that you have an equal border frame around it. And if I hold down the shift key, when I tap the arrow keys, I can move this around. So now it's got a nice frame around that image. And I can do it that way as well. Or I can have it full size and get rid of the purple. Now the other thing I got to look at is this image here. She's kind of looking to the left, and this one here is looking to the right. This one here is looking at your words. This is just a quick graphic design thing. You want the image to be looking at your words. So if you right click on the image and hit rotate and flip horizontally, now I just turned her so she's looking at the words. So that makes a better graphic design poster. Last thing I have to do is figure out the school that I'm from and bring it over here, Elk River, Zimmerman, or Rogers. And bring it over and I place it on top there. Now you see it's behind. What I'm going to do is right click on my image and hit order and send to back. And now it popped those words in front, and I can delete these other two. Final thing here, delete this text box and place the image of your work logo here. So I'm going to go over on the web, do a quick image search. So as you can see, as I typed that in, it didn't get quite as good. What I'm looking for, I kind of like this one, but when it comes up, it's small, 192 by 108. I want it to be bigger than that. This one, if you see this checker mark, and this is a small one again, 200. You at least want, 300, 400, 500 is better. 1,000 is really good, but it's got a checkerboard background, so this is going to be a clear background. This one's not very good. What's this one look like? 200 by 200. So out of my options here, it's this one here, 200 by 200. Out of my options here, I'm probably best to look at this one here, 221 by 112. I'd like it bigger, but can't find a bigger one. So I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to hit Save Image As. And Guardian Angels by the Lake logo and hit Save. Come over here, delete the text box, insert image, upload from computer, Guardian Angels by the Lake logo. And I'll show you what I mean by that had a clear background. If I put that over here, you can see through that. But I'm going to put it here and I'm going to center it in between. So I'm looking this distance and this distance are about the same amount. Again, if I need to use the shift key, and I use the arrows, and I can move it over. Now you're going to do one last final check to make sure everything is spelled correctly and it reads well. And your bougie profile is complete. Time to submit it for full credit.